Do you want to learn how I was able to achieve that? Keep watching. Now, for you to achieve that kind of effect, all you need is this. You need a glass cup, empty glass cup. You need a phone. And you need a cup of water. These are the stuffs that you need to make the video a successful one. So that being said, the next thing that is very important that you need to take note of is this. Please, if you have a tripod stand, use a tripod stand for this. Don't move your phone till you are done videoing everything you want to video. Please do not move your phone. Leave your phone in one particular place, and also leave the cup in one particular place so that everything will come out perfect. So guys, that being said, let's get right into the tutorial. Click on your Capcut app. So you click on new projects. So the first video I'm going to import is the video where I was using my finger to press the phone on top of the empty glass cup. So that is the video I want to import, and I will just click on the video. This is it. Then I'll click on add. After adding this video, I'm going to search for the part where I was about putting the phone on top of the glass cup. Yeah, this is the part. So guys, this is it. So the next thing we are going to do now is we are going to click on overlay, and then you click on add overlay. So we are going to overlay the video when we are pouring water into the glass cup. So I'll click on the video. So guys, this is the video, and from here, this is what I mostly do. I do my best to remove the part I don't want from the beginning. So I do it here. So we are going to search for the part where I was about pouring the water into the glass cup. So let's just search. So guys, this is it. So you click on the check sign, and then click on add. So here we are. I'm still going to silence this one. So guys, this is the video. So immediately you do this, the next thing you are supposed to do is this. Use your both fingers to resize this second one here. Resize it so that it will fit the screen just exactly like the first one. So the next thing we are going to do now is this. Make sure you click on the second one here, that is the overlay video. You click on it and swipe to your right hand side and search for mask. Please continue watching because I'm going to teach you how I also added the sound effect when water was pouring, like the sound. I'm still going to show you, so keep watching. So search, we click on mask, and then we are going to use this horizontal. So you click on horizontal. So this is how it's looking now. So after you click on horizontal, we are going to turn this line. You can see this yellow line. We are going to turn it upside down. It's upside down, upside down, upside down, upside down. Guys, are you seeing this? Are you following me? Just do it like this, do it like this, do it like this, do it like this, upside down. So immediately you finish doing it like this. So please do well to always make use of this arrow. You can see these two arrows here. Make use of it. This is what we make that line not to show. This is what will make it to look realistic. So how do you do that? You use your finger to kind of play around with it, but don't do it too much so it will not be obvious. Just do it a little, play around with it, use it to control it, and so that the line of division won't be showing. So, and then you click on the check sign. Let's see what we have. Guys, did you see that? If I have not used that arrow, you would have seen one line of division. So because of that arrow, there is no line. So let me play the video for you to see before we continue. Guys, did you see this? Can you see it? Did you see it? I love this. So guys, this is it. It's very, very easy. The next thing we are going to do now is the sound effect. We are going to add the sound effect. So for you to add the sound effect, click on audio, click on sound, and then you're going to search for, you can decide to write effect here. All the effects will come out and you start searching, but it's good you know what you are searching for, so that you just type it and it will come out. So what I'm searching is water pouring sound. I've already searched for it before, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's search again. So you click on search. So guys, these are different water pouring sounds, so it's just left for you to choose the one you like. So you can decide to use this. Let me use this one and see the first one. So guys, did you see that? So for you to make it more realistic, you don't need the water. Just imagine I was putting my phone on top of the cup, there was no water coming out, so, and there was sound, so we have to silence that beginning. You understand? Let me play it and see. So I need to silence from here. So immediately I put the phone, I'll just silence it. So how do you do that? You split. Make sure you are clicking on the sound, click on it, and then split. This place that you split, this place is where you are going to silence. So you click on volume and draw it to the very end. So let's check. Guys, did you see that? It is very easy, very easy. This is it. Like, the tutorial is a very easy one, guys, and who will be trying it out? If you know you'll be trying this tutorial out, please let me know on the comment section. And when you try it, please, or when you post it on your channel, tag me. Don't forget to tag me. Let me see. So guys, this is all for this video. If there's anything you don't understand, please ask me in the comment section. I'll come and answer you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe, join the family by subscribing. Like this video and share to your friends, share to your family. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.